Hello, let us see the Eagletics application in action. What you see in the screen is the home page of Eagletics, and Eagletics is a WordPress monitoring application. You can have multiple WordPress websites and you can add all of them here and see performance, security issues, and uptime status of all the WordPress websites from a single dashboard. That is the Eagletics application. So I have a user registered for this application. I will use that to log in here. I will copy the email address, paste here, and I have a password. I will use that to log in. Okay, then I am in. So if you look at here, the plan is free now. A free plan means I can add only one WordPress website and it is for free forever. That's why it's showing plan expires never. Now if you sign up for Deal Mirror, you will get a coupon code from Deal Mirror. You can use that coupon code to upgrade plan. So you will get a coupon code. So I am using a coupon code I have. It's this one. If I use that coupon code to activate my plan, what will happen is you can see my plan is changed from free to starter lifetime. So this starter lifetime can be used to add around 10 WordPress websites. So now I will explain how to add WordPress websites here. This is that section for adding your WordPress websites. Before that, I'll also explain some alert settings. This application can be used to configure multiple channels for your alerts. If a WordPress website when is down, you will get notification to multiple channels that is configured in this alert settings. So you can use channel. Email is one channel, Slack is another one, Microsoft Teams is another one, then Discord, webhook. You can use those 5 channels. You can configure here. And for now I just used only email and I added my user default email here. I can add multiple emails here by providing those details here. And this is known as the global alert settings. So by default, all the WordPress websites adding will be using this global settings to send notifications. And in addition to that, you can even use WordPress website specific channel. In that case, it won't be sending to this global one. Instead of that, it will send notification to a specific channel that is configured for that website. I will show that later. Now let's try to add a WordPress website. Okay, so when adding a WordPress website, we have to provide a name. I can give any name. I am giving a name as WordPress1, and the URL is the URL of WordPress application. I have 2 WordPress applications. One is wp1.eagletics.com and another one is wp2.eagletics.com. I created these 2 for just demo purpose. So here the URL is this one, wp1.eagletics.com. I'll paste that here. Then in the advanced settings section, what I will do is I have to select what are the features that should be monitored. Uptime should be monitored, SSL certificate monitoring should be done, domains should be monitored. Then in what are situations I should get alert? I should get alert when the site goes down, if any file is modified, if there is any permission issue, if somebody uploaded a suspicious file, and also if somebody is trying to log into our application. So if I select all those, for every those actions we will get alert. Now this is what I said earlier. I can select global alert, that is the default one. In that case we will get alerts to all the channels configured here. Otherwise, if I want to override that with some specific channels, I can use that and add for example some other emails. I can create some email ID here, then the alert of this website will be sent to that email ID only, not to the global one. So for now I am selecting global and now adding this website. Okay, it's added. Now for this website I already installed a plugin. You can see that there is a plugin with the name Eagletics. So you will get that plugin from here. You can just download these and upload to your WordPress website and install just like any other plugin. I had installed this already, and once you install you will get a link to that module, a plugin in this left side. I had configured some settings earlier, that's why this is showing here. I'll show you how to connect this WordPress website to our Eagletics. So once you install this plugin, there is a settings page, and in that page the endpoint will be eagletics.com always. Then API key and secret key will be specific to your WordPress website that you will get from here. So when you add a website you will get an API key and one secret key. You have to copy them and paste here and then save them. So next, in order to make sure that those are working perfectly, you can try this test connection. Yeah, the test connection said that it is working, it's 200. Now there is a section status. You can try to send the basic details of your WordPress website to Eagletics now by clicking the send now button. Yeah, that is sent. Now it's saying that the basic info is sent to our Eagletics. Now just check this. You can see we got some information last 12 seconds ago from WordPress. What information we got is those things. I will show you in detail what is this. So let's go to inner page by clicking this link. You can see there are multiple tabs. So this API key tab is what we had seen earlier. We can, if we want to get the key again, we can go to this page and see this API key and secret key. Now this is the first tab. This tab shows current version of WordPress, PHP version, database version, last scanned 54 seconds ago, how many plugins are active, how many plugins are outdated, number of which theme is active now, and this one, whether the WP login.php is exposed or not. This is a security concern, because if anybody take WP login.php, it will be available, and maybe they try to login with they'll try brute force attack by providing multiple usernames and try to login. So this is a security concern, so it's better to use as custom login URL. That's what it's saying. Now number of outdated themes are displayed here. These plugins sections show all the plugins that is available in the WordPress website, both active and inactive, and also the current status, whether it require an update or not. Eagletics and Hello Dolly both are up to date, and all other 3 plugins require an updation. That's displayed here. Now similar information is available for themes also. There are 4 themes and only one of them is active now, and 3 themes require updation. So it's a good practice to update outdated plugins and themes to avoid any hack attempts. So those information is available here. Now the current uptime status is available here. Currently it's up, the website is up, and the domain expiry is displayed here. If it is about to expire, that will show here, because it's not going to expire soon, that's why it's showing okay. But the SSL is about to expire, that's why here it's showing expiring soon. And we will get some graph here, but we just added the website, that's why no graph here now. But after 1 hour there will be a graph that will show the uptime and response time data. Now if there was any suspicious files in the WordPress installation, that will be displayed here. And also it will check permissions of all the files in your applications. If there are some wrong permission for any files, that will be displayed here. You can see for this plugin file the expected permission is 644, but the permission that is given is 775. It's a good practice to change to 644. So all the files will be scanned and listed here. So it's a good recommendation under the permission checks. And if any file is modified recently, so that will be displayed here. That is another good thing to check to make sure that no one else has access to your WordPress website. Now logins. Logins is a section that will show the log of complete log of logins to your WordPress application. I will show you one thing. You can see there is a WP admin login button. This button can be used to log into your WordPress application using SSO from this application. So I am trying to log in. So yeah, we were able to log in. So now refresh this logins page. You see that we were able, somebody logged in to this. What does it mean is somebody logged in to this WordPress application with the username Eagletics, and the IP address is this one, and the login attempt was successful. So let me now try to log out and then try with a wrong username. And this is a wrong username and password, but if I try to log in, yeah, it's saying that the login attempt was failed anyway. Now if I refresh here, you can see this will show that somebody tried to log in, but that was failed. So it's good to see whether some hackers are trying to log into our application, and we'll get an IP address and we can take actions to prevent them. So that's the login section. Then we have vulnerabilities. This section will show any reported vulnerabilities based on your WordPress version, plugin and theme version. So it's a good section to monitor and take any action to update if there is any recent security threats are published. So this is the basic details of this application. Now I will try to add one more WordPress application, and as I have one more where is that? Yeah, I have one more WordPress application. I will try to add that one here. So just like as we discussed earlier, we'll enable everything. Then I'm keeping global alert here also. Now we were able to add it. Now I'll go to this and I'll take my plugins. I'll activate my plugin here. Now I'll take the settings page. I have to enter the API key and secret key. Yeah, API key is this one and secret key is this one. Now I just added it. Now test connection, and then I'll try to send the details. Now it's sent. One more thing I would like to mention is, it's good in order to send the WordPress website details periodically to our Eagletics application. We need to add one command to our cron tab. This is that one. So this will send all the required information back to this Eagletics in every 5 minutes. So don't forget to add that. Now I'll show this. Yeah, WP2, it was scanned for 33 seconds ago. WP core, okay, what does it mean is the current version is 7.0.2, that is latest one, that's why it's showing okay. That means there is no need of any upgradation for your WordPress here, but here we need to update because here the current version is 6.9.5. so those are the main features of your our application. Now there is a ticket section. This is used to communicate with us if you have any issues, if you have any questions. We can create a ticket and we'll respond to you very quickly, and that's ticket section, and that's it. That's all about this Eagletics, and thanks for watching.